So hi everyone. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we're gonna see like in this video like the in this world now the AI will be impact the so many of the job vacancy or the something that different. But the still the AI can the made a mistake, but we are the verify needed for that human. Like why I'm saying means guys like we are the humans, but we have when we get a job some of the reason like the AI will be replace the human. AI will be doing the all of the work. They given the code. They given the some of the content. You know, these are the happening for the every world, like the every country. Like same as a engineering the perspective as a I am a developer. Yeah, I am thinking. Yeah, it is will be AI will be replace the human. The same. There's so many job vacancy. I think they create upcoming years because of like the AI made a mistake, but we how to say human can the verify AI will be generating the code. It is correct or wrong. We are the verify should needed. Like like I am also thinking, yeah, why most of the people they are asking the some of the find some of the coding. There are the developed, but the some of time they won't see the code, how they work, how will be they processing is the correct or wrong, they want the judgment. So that is the main reason for the some of the developer. We can't made a mistake. Like initially I'm also using the AI era. Like after that, I see the so many the code will be given the wrong. So after that, I said to I need a correct code. So how will you the processing like if you doing the sum of the project the what is the important what you should need it or what you shouldn't need it. So it is happening for the AI era. Like initially the AI will be the generating the conversation like that way. After that is so many company there are the investment for that AI, the neural network, the LLM model. So this is happening for the every country, the every the corporate company there are the investment for that AI um, evolution. So that is a huge difference. So many people that still there are like how to say they are asking ourselves, yeah, our job it will be there in the future or not. They are asking, but in a perspective, it will be happening for some of time. The like the before the 2 years, IT will be the closed. No software company there here after. Some people said, like after that, the so many job vacancies that are opening, like the data engineer and the AI generator engineer, like so like the prompt engineer. So then yeah, after that, so many job creating this is happening for that. I think this is a good for the everyone. Like AI will be given the code, they will be generating the problem solving they can do, but there's still human verification needed. So I think in a perspective, guys, so human and the AI will be they together work. Yeah, we can achieve the anything. So I think in a perspective that, guys. So like yeah, guys. So in this video, we gonna see like how the AI will be impact, how will be the evaluation. So like the day we have to discuss that. So if you like this video and the same time we have to improve the communication skills. So if you want the series of those, so please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and don't forget to follow. Yeah, we are together learning this YouTube channel. Okay, we're gonna see you next video, guys.